Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download Hamster Kombat on your Android or your iOS. So if you are on Android, you need to go to Play Store, and if you are on your iOS, then go to App Store. So after visiting your store, just type Telegram and you will have to install this application called Telegram. All right, so I have already installed the application, so you need to install it. And after installing your application, it will look like this. Tap on Telegram, and from the search menu you need to search for hamster, and then you will find this channel called Hamster Kombat. Just tap here, and all you have to do is then press the start button, and you will see that you will find this automated message. So just click in play in one click and then start. So you will have to wait for a moment, and it will redirect you to their website. Now as you can see, this is their website. You just need to tap on next, and at the end you will find this option called play. Now all you have to do is just click, and that's how you play Hamster Kombat. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe my channel if you found my video informative. Thank you.